Welcome students, this is Mrs. Walton here, ready for day 3. Today we're going to be working on our Foursquare, or we're just going to be organizing our main idea and details into a draft of our writing. So the first thing we need is our beginning or our topic, and that's where we are introducing our reader to our writing. You just became the expert on something and you want to make them learn more about the topic you've become the expert on. So guess what? You already came up with it when you had your main idea. Use that main idea. So this was our prompt here. You read an article entitled Insects in the Winter. Write a 1 to 3 paragraph essay explaining how insects survive in the winter. Use details from the text to support your writing. So that was what you were asked to write about. And then we came up with this main idea. Insects use different ways to survive a cold winter. That is your topic, or that is the beginning of your paragraph. Then you also need to come up with your conclusion, or the closing or finishing to your writing. Guess what? It can be similar to your topic. So here I have our topic, insects use different ways to survive a cold winter. My conclusion is, in conclusion, different insects use different ways to live through the cold winter, because that's where you found your facts, and that's how your details were, is you listed the different ways that insects survive a cold winter or live through. So I just kind of changed the words around. I changed survive to live through. So it's not exactly the same, but you already came up with it, so you can already tweak it or change it a little for your conclusion. And don't forget this transition word here, in conclusion. You're wrapping things up. You're telling your reader that you're all done. And let's go put it all in our Foursquare. So once again, I'm going to have writing day 2 open, your main idea and details, the facts that we found to help support our main idea. And then I'm going to have the writing day 3 open for to use both. You already did the work on writing day 2. We're just organizing it for writing day 3. So like I mentioned before, you can copy and paste. Remember, number 1 was your main idea, and we already said that this was your topic. So you 2-finger click, copy it, and guess what? That's your topic right here in the middle of your diamond. Okay, and then it says add your first detail, second detail, and third detail here. I didn't do it because I wanted you to try it, but I have one here, and then you should have these 2. Just use them in that order. And then your conclusion. So I showed you here, this was our conclusion we could use. I changed the words a little, and I made it similar to my topic, but then you just type your conclusion here using that transition word, in conclusion. There you have it, boys and girls, for your Foursquare. You're adding all your details and organizing it. Good luck on day 3.